Welcome back. In this lecture, we're going to design the user profile wireframe screens. So the next is going to be the profiles. Yeah. So let's duplicate this and bring it down. All right. Select it, Alt key, and you drag down. And tip it here. So this is going to be the user profile. And here we'll select the text, delete it. Okay. Delete this, and also delete this. All right. So take your scale tool and scale this a bit. Align it to the center of the frame. Let's scale it more. Okay. So we're going to activate our plugin, Figma. Now we search for user. We're going to make use of any user icon. So this is fine. We'll add it to our frame and bring it here. All right. So quickly, let's ungroup this. Yeah, we'll make a duplicate of this. So this will be like the heading text, while this two will be like this description text. Okay, so we'll group them together back. And here there's going to be our profile picture here, somewhere around there. Okay, so now you can select this and this tool just to separate their spacing and group them together. Command G or Control G to do that. Okay, so here we're also gonna have another text here. It says profile. It's gonna be at the top there, and we'll have some icons by the left and all that. Okay, so here let's make use of let's select that frame. Now we just draw a small square, 30 by 30. Okay, and give it a feel of dark gray and corner radius of 15. I will keep it there. All right, so we're going to duplicate this text to bring it here. So up here we'll have the notification. So select the tool, copy that. We're gonna have security. Select the tool, Alt key drive. Then we'll have, you're gonna have app appearance. Select the tool, drag. Let's say we're gonna have help, or let's say support. Okay, then we also need another page that is gonna be invite friends, invite friends. Okay, then we'll have another one. Shift key, select it to Alt key, then you drag down to copy. Then we can have a logout. Yeah, right? So now select only the icons and distribute their horizontal spacing. Similarly, select the text, align them to the left first, and also distribute their horizontal spacing. Okay, now you can select all of them together and Ctrl G to group them. Okay, so we'll have this there. Moreover, we may include icons for navigations and that, right? So let's search for arrow and make use of this. Take it there. You can rotate it 90 degrees. Okay, and make sure it's inside the profile frame. You can see it's not there, right? So you have to make sure you put it inside. Click it, go for your layer panels, this is the arrow icon. Okay, then you put it inside the what user profile. So where is the user profile? It's somewhere around here. You can see where it is, right? So you just drag it and go and put it inside user profile and keep it there. So now it's within the frame. So what you're going to do is select it and Alt key to make more duplicates and position it there to each and every section of the text we have. So you can hold down your Shift key, select them together and align it to the left like this. Okay, and also distribute the vertical spacing. Alright, so now you can group them as well. So we'll put detail we'll put detail style when we are doing our design. So for now we'll leave it as it is. Alright, so next we're going to create separate screen for the notification, security, appearance, supports and all that. Okay, so Control, then you zoom, or Command you zoom out. Okay, so let's select this screen, Alt key, then we're going to make a duplicate of it. Alright, so here is going to be the notification screen, right? So we're going to select this and delete it. Okay, select here, ungroup it. Okay, so now ungroup. So now here also ungroup it. So we are going to select this and delete it. Select this, stick group selection. So we're going to ungroup it, please. Ungroup. Alright, so now we're going to select all this and delete it. Okay, so this profile here, we'll bring it down and change it to notification. Alright, so this is going to be the notification screen. Then this arrow will bring it here and flip it the other side, the other way around. Then you take it towards the end. You can change the boldness of the text or the size to 20, and that is fine. Okay, so on that notification page, we're gonna have like sound, vibration, where the user will have option to change one or two settings for the notification. So that is what is going to be containing the notification page. Alright, so for now component library. Let's search for toggle. And we'll make use of this. I think that is too detailed. Let's delete that one and make use of this for wireframe instead. Okay. So we delete this first one and make use of this. Then here we're going to keep it somewhere around there and make sure it's inside the frame. If it's not there, just go from your layers panel and also put it there. Okay. This toggle, yeah, it's inside the profile now. So we take it somewhere around there. So this notification text, we just change it to sound. Okay. Here we delete this as well. So we let's keep it like that. Okay. Select the two and align them properly. Then Alt key, we drag one. Alt key, we drag again. Alt key, we drag again, making 4. Right? So we're going to update the text to want the user to be able to switch within vibration and all that. So we also want them to be alerted if there are new updates. Okay, so they can choose to customize that. Then also want to alert them there are new consultants. Okay, so based on services and all that. So now select this text together and align them to the left. Then we'll bring them inside closer. Select these icons together and also align them to the left and distribute their eventual space. Alright, so this is going to be the notification. Alright, so we're done with this wireframe. Let's zoom out to the left. Then the next screen, Alt key, we drag down to make a duplicate. The next screen is going to be the security here, right? So let me bring our eyebrow to the left. So this is going to be the security screen, okay? And under the security, we expect them to, the user to have some certain things they can do on the security page, like, you know, thumb verification or facial ID and all that, okay? So there, we're gonna have like face ID, we'll have that. So they will go to toggle as well. Then here, then we'll have like save device, so that the application will recognize the device instead of going to be, you know, logging in all the time. Then here we can have like let's touch ID as well. Okay, so select them together by holding down your shift key and also align them to the left. Then you bring them down a bit. All right, then this one we select it together and take it off. We don't need it. Okay, this is going to be the security page. All right, so we're done with that. Next, Alt key, drag to the right to make duplicates. And the next page is going to be, let's go back to our profile. Appearance, right? So here is going to be appearance. So in the appearance page here, we're also going to have option for them to switch between the color of the application. Okay, so here let's say we have an option for dark mode. Okay, we'll have an option of dark mode. We also have an option of switch background. So maybe we have option of brighter background or blue background and all that. Okay, then lastly, let's say we also have an option of maybe they want to access full screen and all that. So we keep that. Now select them together and also align them to the left and bring them inside a bit. So this is going to be the appearance page. Now change this to appearance. All right, so the next one that comes is going to be this support. Now the support is going to stand as a parent screen, because when you click on support, you should be able to have different means of support that you can contact the application, customer care and all that. Okay, so under support here, let's go back and one thing there, I think we're missing one, so quickly we're going to update that before we go far. Okay, so here let's click here and ungroup them first. Okay, this is very important. So let's ungroup this one too as well before we go to support, please. All right, so click this, click this, click this, and bring it down a bit. Then this also bring it down. Then this also bring it down. Now Alt key, you make another copy. So this copy should be for appointment. It's very important. Okay, all right, so we keep it there. Then after that, support can come next, so you can select them and also align them properly. So we're going to do that and align them. Now we'll also distribute their vertical spacing. So bring this one down a bit, select the text and also align them back, and also distribute their vertical spacing. So similarly this, or you can easily click, drag, and also do the same thing. All right, so we're done with that. So before the support, we're supposed to have appointment page from the user profile. They should be able to navigate back to appointment page, right? So that will be the next skin. So here we select that, Alt key, then drag to the right. All right, so this is going to be the appointment page. Appointment. So here they should be able to see the list of our appointment. So we now say we're going to delete this and delete that call. Then we just go and copy text description icons and all that, right? So select this, Ctrl C. So now come here under the appointment screen and paste it there. So here we can have this. Alt key drag, Alt key drag, Alt key drag, Alt key drag. So here is going to show list of appointment, recent, and all that. So we should have filter text here that will enable them to filter recent appointment, past appointment, or they should search appointment by date and all that. Okay, so here we're gonna have a text here that will say filter. Right, so just stick it towards the edge of the screen and keep it there. So we're done with the appointment page. So here you can also update the name appointment. All right, so now we can go to the support. So in the support, I said it's going to be a parent page. The support page is going to have sub pages under it. Okay, so we are going to copy the notification page and bring it down. Okay, so bring it down and rename it as support. Okay, so under the support page here, this is where we have support, right? Support. So yes, we're gonna have list of pages that are going to be under the support, right? So let's in that case, let's delete this one and make use of this, since we are going to be using the arrow. So Alt key, drag down, then you rename it as support. Okay, then we're going to delete this and delete this. Then select all this. Excuse me. Select all the icons and also delete it. Okay, so now here we are bringing this one somewhere around there and rename it as support. Okay, so we can change this font size to 20 and take one of these arrow, Alt key, duplicate of it and bring it here, then come here and select it to reflect it to the other side. Okay, so under support now we're gonna have like frequent add questions, ask questions. We're gonna have like contact. Okay, we're gonna have like the terms and conditions. Okay, so we're also going to have like privacy policy, how we protect and on that their data. Okay, so here we'll select this, and also align them to the left. Okay, so here we can also have let's hit chat, or we just include chat icon somewhere around there. It's fine, so just put it right, indicate it. So now select all these remaining ones and discard them out. So cut, drag, and let's delete it. So this is going to be the support page. Now under the support page, now we're going to take these screens one after the other and spread them across. Okay, so the next screen that will come under the support page now, so let's keep it somewhere around like this, so that show that this one is under this, right? So here we're going to rename this screen as the frequent ask question. So under the frequent ask question, we should have list of things that they may ask, they need to know about the application, just like a self question and answer in the page. Okay, so here we're going to just include some icons that will show text. So let's copy this and bring it here. So here we're going to select all this in the fact page and delete it. then we just paste this what we just copied from there. And if you're not seeing it, we're going to do that again. Just select this Alt key, you can drag and come and put it under the fact page, inside the fact page. Okay, so now select it, Alt key, drag, Alt key, drag, Alt key, drag. Let's add one more, Alt key, drag. So this is going to be the fact page. So we can select all of them together and also distribute the horizontal as well to good spacing and leave it like that. Okay, so this is going to be the fact. All right, so next, after the fact page, we should have the contact us, right? So we're going to select this and make a duplicate of it, Alt key, then you drag to the right. So this is going to be the contact. Okay, so under the contact page, you should also have option for them to contact, like reaching out to the application support center. You can use email, phone, or chat and all that. So this is going to be contact. All right, so I have to duplicate there. We're going to delete this and bring it back. Okay, so we'll have the contact section that will have so let's say we're gonna have the form and all that. Okay, under the contact section. Then to make it clear, let's just delete this. Okay, so we'll have a form here, so let's indicate it as form so that we'll remember it clearly when we are designing the prototype and all that. So here we keep it there and say form. Okay, so wherever you have form, it should be expected to have a submit button, right? So let's come here, search for button, or you can click copy for one of the frame and come and keep it there. All right, so we've been making use of this, so we'll add it to our screen. So bring it, keep it there. And position it inside the middle of the frame. Then here, change it to send message. Okay, so I'm also going to change the fill of the form to black. So that's for the contact page. Okay, so after the contact page, we also have another contact us section where they can send and all that, right? So we just leave it like that. We'll make that detail in the design screens. So we should have another screen here that is going to be for our terms and condition. All right, it's going to be the terms and condition. So here we'll have lists of long text and all that. Okay, so we select the form, we delete it, and here we rename it to terms and conditions. All right, so now I'll drag it and position it there. So in the terms and condition page, we remove the button. So this is just gonna show like a list of text and all that, right? So what you're going to do here is to ungroup this, excuse me, to ungroup it and select one of them and group this. So we're going to select this. Excuse me, I'm having difficulties. So you select this and stretch it Okay, select this, stretch it, select this, stretch it as well. Okay, so now you can leave it like that. So select this one, take it off, select this one, take it off. All right, so now select this together and now group them. Okay, so we can make more duplicate of it, alt key, to just show that we're gonna have a description text here for the terms and condition. That's why we are doing that. So this is just going to be to serve like a description text for terms condition. So distribute the vertical spacing and also align them. Okay, so now select the last three, alt key to make another duplicate that will serve like another section or paragraph and all that. Right, so you can select all of them together and put them into the center of the main frame. Right, so it shows like they are not in the main frame. Okay, they are. So put them inside the frame, and do the same thing inside the frame, inside the frame. Alright, so we're done with the terms and condition page. Okay, so I think the last one that remaining, let's check, is going to be the privacy policy and that of the chat section, right? Screen. Alright, so let's duplicate this alt key, drag to the right and keep it there. So you just change the text to privacy policy and also change the title here. Alright, so this is going to be similar to this, and last we're going to have our chat page. So the chat page, we're going to link it with the support page when we are designing it. Okay, so here we just select all this and delete it. Then let's go back to our fact page and alt key to copy that and come and put it inside our chat page. Okay, so in our chat page is going to be like chat with agent or with customer care, something like that. Okay, so here we're gonna have a user profile. I'll show that the chat has been initiated and all that, so we make use of this and add it into our frame here. Okay, so just select your scale tool and increase its size a bit and position it there. Okay, so let's take this to the center and leave this one as it is. So this is going to be the chart. Alright, so here make sure everything is inside the frame. Then we're gonna have our form here. So we select our frame and just have a form here. We'll give it a stroke and also give it corner radius of 20. So it just be a section where the message and everything will show. Then we're also gonna have a button there that will say send message and all that. That will just show like there's a kind of conversation going on. Okay, so let's come back to this screen and just alt key that will copy this and come and pick there. Alright, so it's align it to the center of the frame. Okay, so we're gonna have something like this in the chat screen. Alright, congratulations. So we're done with the user profile screens. So these are the wireframes you are going to include in your user profile. So we're going to stop here for this. In the next lecture, we'll go to the booking wireframe screens. See you in the next lecture.